Interactive whiteboards open a whole new world to the classroom environment, expanding the resources and activities already available to teachers and students, and creating an atmosphere where the teacher and the students are actively engaged. When should a teacher use an interactive whiteboard? When a teacher wants to give direct instruction to students and have the ability to easily manipulate content. When the teacher wants to increase students' active participation during instruction in a visually rich learning environment, or when they want to record lessons for student review or reteaching at a later time. With the push of a button, teachers can record their lesson. Once recorded, students may then watch and hear their teacher explain how each problem is solved. Students can watch when and where they wish, even at home. Interactive whiteboards provide opportunities for visual, spatial, and bodily kinesthetic learners. New and veteran teachers have the opportunity to introduce a highly interactive and visual medium that has the power to transform learning into something effective and meaningful. Research in this area is still emerging, but current best practice strategies point to two key features found on all major whiteboard systems as crucial to learning. First is the ability to record lessons to provide review and reteaching opportunities with students. The second is the ability of teachers to access vast libraries of peer-reviewed lessons and resources for use on the interactive whiteboard, which take advantage of the multi-sensory approach to instruction offered in this interactive environment. Current research has clearly shown there are no increases in student learning when interactive whiteboards are used simply as a replacement for dry erase or chalkboards. In this video, you will be introduced to the equipment options along with several examples of classroom teachers' use of interactive whiteboards. Interactive whiteboards are large touch-sensitive displays that may be controlled by a pen or by your finger. These devices may be fixed, mobile, or portable from room to room or even between buildings. The interactive whiteboard connects to the teacher's computer. Once software is installed on the teacher's computer, it allows the teacher to utilize all the programs on that computer, extending all applications to the interactivity of the whiteboard. The computer connects to an LCD projector, displaying the teacher's lessons for that day. The interactive whiteboard may come with a projector attached, or you may need to purchase one to be mounted or positioned efficiently in the classroom. Besides the interactive whiteboard, wireless slates may be used, allowing the instructor to move about the classroom freely, concentrating on content rather than classroom management issues. Student response systems can also be utilized, allowing for students to be polled or assessed on important classroom content. For the benefit of our auditory learners, a simple sound amplification system can also enhance the learning process with the interactive whiteboard. In this first example, we see a teacher using an interactive whiteboard to demonstrate to her students how to write a topic sentence for their story.
Go. I can see the farmer. Remember, what you're working on in Mrs. Reinhardt's room is that you need a finger space between every word. So do I want to write it like this?
In these next examples, we see several classrooms using the interactive whiteboard as a way to engage their tactile learners by allowing students to approach the board to interact and create content.
The children tried to climb the tree to help the cat. Real or fantasy? Can children climb trees to help the cat? Well, you guys are good.
Taking the interactive whiteboard capabilities to a new level, these next classrooms are showing examples of screen capture and recording, allowing the teacher and the student's actions to be captured to track student progress or document a lesson to be posted to the internet. Here we see a teacher from Arlington Schools record the critical concepts of a science lesson on chemical formulas. Adding her own notes to the presentation, the lesson is then placed on a disc and sent home with students for their review. The same lesson can also be posted to an online video site.
I enjoy it. It's fun. It's almost like a little game every time. It's definitely interactive. The kids get to come up and participate, and you've got the attention there a little bit better. They can interact with it, so they're up and moving, and they're not just sitting and watching me do all the work. And it's animated in a way. Since things move around, they're more likely, they're used to animation everywhere. That's like their world, so.